In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload leads in Zoho CRM. If you need to bring a list of contacts or prospects into your CRM quickly, this is a simple and practical way to do it. Uploading leads is useful when you've collected information from another system, a spreadsheet, or a marketing campaign. And now you want everything organized inside Zoho CRM, so you can manage follow-ups more efficiently. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and sign in. Once you're inside the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace so the leads are imported into the right place. This helps avoid confusion later, especially if you manage multiple modules or teams within the platform. Next, go to the Leads section. You'll usually find this in the main navigation menu. Click on Leads to open the Leads module. This is where all your lead records are stored, and it's also where you can begin the import process. If you're new to Zoho CRM, this area is designed to help you keep track of potential customers before they move further into your sales process. Once you're in the Leads section, look for the option to create a lead. Near that button, you should see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open more options. This is an important detail because the import feature is not always shown as a separate main button. It's often tucked inside this drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, click Import Leads. This will take you to the Lead Import screen, where Zoho CRM allows you to bring in data from a file. On this page, you'll see the option to upload your file. Select your file from your computer and upload it. Before you do that, it's a good idea to make sure your file is clean and organized. For example, your columns should be clearly labeled so Zoho can recognize what each piece of information represents, such as name, company, email, or phone number. Keeping your file properly formatted can save time and reduce errors during the import process. After you upload the file, Zoho CRM will guide you through the next part of the import setup on the screen. Just review the information carefully and continue as needed. And that's it. That's how to upload leads in Zoho CRM. Once your file is imported, your leads will be available in the Leads module, ready for review, assignment, and follow-up.